Sterling, do you like your new exerciser? Yeah? Look at all that fun stuff. Wow! What do you think about it? You say thank you, Momo. Thank you, Grandpa. Oh, and I'm breaking it in. Good job. Now it's all yours. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Are you having fun? Yes, thanks Nicole and Griffin for letting us try it out first. Yeah, I'm digging this. Here, can you make the sounds? Let's see. Let's see. Here. Oh. Oh, can you make it? Oh. Look at the nice lights. Oh. Cool. More to come later.